Hello, here I'm going for the live stream of Nifty. In the last trading session, simply it has ended at 18,161 level, and today's opening above 18,161. Then there is a good chance of finding the levels up to 18,360, and today's low must be taken as a stop loss for the long calls. At this level, going for the long is going to be a simple problem, because at any moment of time there will be some profit booking in the market. There is a good chance of finding some profit booking. That is the reason it is better to maintain your long calls carefully. A good level to go for the long at 18,100 level. That is a good level to go long. Look at SGX Nifty. Already I uploaded a video related to the SGX Nifty levels. In SGX Nifty, then it has opened at higher level. You can expect there is a good chance of facing the support at 18,200 level, then 18,100 level. The support zone is 18,100 to 18,200 level. If at all the market get reversed, but still there is a good chance of reaching up to 18,340 or 360 levels. Be careful at this level. There is a good chance of facing a profit booking. The Nifty Bank also, you can find Nifty Bank, the bank's part. In the last trading session, we found the good support at 38,500 zone, and today also that is a good support zone, but there is a good chance of opening at a higher level. Be careful when it is opened at higher level, and look for the support zone to enter into the market for the long calls. At this moment at higher levels, taking the long calls not preferable. If it is opened at exactly 38,900 zone in the first hour itself, look for the shorting. It is a shorting opportunity by keeping the stop loss at 39,200 zone, and better to enter the Bank Nifty at 38,500 level. Still there is a good upside, but at any moment there will be some profit booking. Once profit booking is over, there is a chance of finding the higher levels in the coming days, but still it is not weak. Market is not weak. Still you can find a simple upside until you reach the 39,400 zone. Look at the Bajaj Finance. It is showing good upside. Still, there is a good chance of reaching up to 8,100 zone. Once 8,000 level has been taken out, there is a good chance of reaching up to 8,100 level or 180 level. That is a good zone where you can think about your long calls. If at all you want to exit for short duration, you can think over the positions at 8,100 or 130 or 180 level. The Jubilant Food, in case of Jubilant Food also, it has shown good upside, but still upside is there, but the entering at higher level is not recommended. The better you have to look for the support zone to enter into the Jubilant Food. So all are at a higher level. Be careful. There is a good chance of going for the profit booking today at higher levels. Why? Because simply tomorrow is a holiday, and there is a weakness. There is a weakness in U.S. market also. Gap up opening or gap down opening maybe, but in future. But only for today, be careful while trading at higher levels. At any moment of time, there is a good chance of finding the profit booking. Okay, still it is good. It is going good. No problem at all. So you can catch us in live streaming. Frequently, we are going to take the live stream during the market hours. When the market moment is good, we are going to explain the things. If there is a chance of finding some weakness in the market, at the time also we are going to do the live stream. And during the market hours, you can expect more live stream. Simply at this moment, be careful while doing trading today, intraday. Be careful. So the Nifty Banknifty spot opened around 38,700 zone. That is a good zone opened, and take the support. It may take the support at 38,500. If 38,500 is taken out, then there will be weakness in Banknifty. It didn't open at a higher level. Be careful while doing the Banknifty spot. Let us consider the Banknifty spot now. So this is the SX Nifty levels at this moment. It has made an high of 18,280 level. It has reached up to 18,280 level. In the Indian market also we are finding the level exactly at 18,272. So now SX Nifty is trading around 18,250 level, good support level. First hour I'm expecting simply there may be a chance of going for the profit booking. So look at Reliance also, Reliance Industries. We can go for Reliance Industries. Today just it has opened above the level it has closed yesterday. 2700 level. There is a good chance to finding the level 2720 again, and after that we'll see that just how it is going to behave. If that level is taken out, then there is a good chance to go up to 2740 level. The market, look at the Nifty part here. Just be careful at this level, higher levels. Bank Nifty also going up. Just you can observe the Bank Nifty. Today is the expiry, weekly expiry, and the long weekend. Be careful while going for the trades. Okay, good. There will be good upside once 38,779 is taken out. So you can expect upside in Bank Nifty if 38,779 or 800 is taken out. look at Bajaj Finance. Just we have seen the Bajaj Finance. We'll look at Bajaj Finance. A little bit of profit booking is happening at this moment. There is a good chance to find the support at 78.91 zone, and for the long calls, stop loss is at 78.40 level. No chance to reach that level, 78.40 level. Okay, still there is a good chance of finding upside. Maybe today it may be weak. There is a good chance to take the support at 78.91 at this moment. Then support is at 78.40 level. For the long calls to exit, the stop loss is at 78. Look at the Nifty Smart here. The Nifty Smart, Nifty Smart. Simply it is good going and is going up. There is a good chance of reaching the 18,362, 18,400 zone. Be careful at that zone. Be careful at this moment also. At this moment, fresh long calls, so that is up to the trader. But being a technical analyst, I never recommend going for the fresh longs at this moment. It seems to be going up, but at any moment of time you can find good profit booking in market. Be careful at this level. Banknifty also, already I said, the Banknifty Smart here. Look at the Banknifty Smart here. It has opened at a higher level above the 38,682. But it has to go up. So there is a good chance of going up, but the only thing is narrow range at this moment. The narrow range has to break 38,600 to 38,800. That is the zone it is trading now. If it is going up, there is a good chance of reaching up to 39,400 zone also. Be careful at this moment. It has to break that level, 38,771 or 38,800. Above 38,800, you can expect good up levels up to 39,400 levels in coming days. There is a good chance, but be careful at this level and don't go for the shorts at this level. If you go for the shorts, the support, there is a support at 38,600 zone. Once that level has been taken out, then you can maintain your long positions. Just once I said there is a resistance here, it is stopping over there. Just you have to look for the level. Once it breaks that level, then only you can find good upside. Still good upside. I'm expecting good upside at this moment. Once 38,775 or 38,800 is taken out, at that time there is a chance of going for a little bit of profit booking or a little bit of resistance. See, just I said resistance is at 38,774. Exactly, it is taking the resistance at that zone. And as for our chart setup, simply it is showing hourly resistance at 38,774 and support is at 38,650 level and then 38,600. I said the range is in between 38,600 to 38,774 or 38,800 zone. If that zone is taken out, then only you can find good upside or downside. I'm not expecting at this moment. The Nifty, look at the Nifty, it is performing good. My level is at 18,340 to 360 zone first. Okay, once after touching that level, we have to think about long calls, whether you want to continue your long calls or going for the profit booking. Okay, that you have to verify. But Nifty levels exactly you can find up to 18,340 to 360. That is my prediction as per my chart setup. So the strict resistance is in between 18,360 to 18,400. That is a zone, crucial zone for the Nifty. Look at the Infosys, just the Infosys company, the Infosys, you can observe it. Yeah, just the gap up opening in Infosys, just there is a good chance of finding the levels up to 17,083 and you can continue your long calls up to 17,183. Once 1783 is taken out, then only you can find good upside. You see the total, it is resistance at 1788. Once that level is taken out, then only you can find good upside. But be careful at resistance zones. Once that level is taken out, then there is a good chance of reaching up to 1830 zones or 20 to 30 zones. And if everything goes good, then there is a chance of reaching up to 1900 also. And the major contribution is from the Infosys for the Nifty, and the Reliance has to move up. Okay, once the Reliance is moving up, Reliance Industries, once it is moving up, then there is a good chance of finding the higher levels in Nifty. Be careful at this level. Everything is at resistance zone. Look at the zones what I am specifying. Everything at resistance zones. The resistance has to be taken out for each and every script. Then only you can find good upside. The Reliance is if the Reliance is doing good, then there is a good chance of finding the Nifty to be higher levels, and no weakness in the Nifty at this moment. The wait for some time, and the Nifty I'm expecting up to 18,340 to 360 zone. Be careful at this zone, and fresh longs not recommended. See, look at the Reliance. Reliance is doing good. The Reliance Industries, it is doing good, and 2720 is 2720 is So look at this here. Simply 2720 is the resistance zone for the Reliance. If it is taken out, then there is a good chance of finding the higher levels in Reliance. Good going for Reliance, no problem for the Reliance. I think it is going to cross the level 2720. Be careful at that level. Once that level is taken out, then there will be good going up to 2750, 40 to 60 zone. 40 to 60 zone I am expecting at this moment. Look at the Bata. Look at the Bata. There is a good chance to touch the level 2108. Once 2099 is taken out, you can maintain the long calls up to 2122 also. But one thing is, it has to take out the resistance 2108. That is the exact level. Look at the Reliance, just already I specified the resistance is at 2720. Still it is facing the problem at 2720. If the 2720 is taken out, then only you can find good upside. Otherwise there is no upside for this, but it can cross that level. There is a good chance today itself. We have to reach 18,360, then only the market is going to take the turn. Look at the Tata Motors. When you go over the Tata Motors, look at the Tata Motors here. It is in profit booking mode. Once it is in profit booking mode, okay, once the edge 501 has been taken out, 502 has been taken out, then there is a good chance to reach up to 477. But be careful at this zone. And daily profit booking, it is going for daily profit booking, and already it has reached the downside target of 501, 502. And if it is taking the support at this level, then there is a good chance of going up again. But hourly, it has taken the support at 492 hourly. The first hour trade profit booking, it took the support at 492 level. Once the 492 level has been taken out, then there is a good chance of going up. But look at the Bank Nifty, just what I expected. Simply it is going up. The good going, it is going up. Look at the Bank Nifty now. Just is going to be Bank Nifty. You can go for the Bank Nifty now. The Bank Nifty, look at the Bank Nifty here. The Bank Nifty, already I said, there is a problem. Just it is going to be just taken out. The level has been taken out now. Good going. Just you can expect the 39,400 levels, 39,000 levels immediately. It is good going. In the coming days, you can find good upside. Still, there is a good upside for the Bank Nifty today after touching the 39,000. Okay, above 38,800, good chance to reach up to 39,000, then 39,400 levels. First, the 39,000 is the target. For our target is 39,000 at this moment. It's going good, no problem for the bulls. For the fresh entries in Bank Nifty, the stop loss is at 38,600 zone. Okay, below 38,600 exit or longs, but no chance to reach that level in my expectation. In my prediction, already the yesterday's high has been taken out. Then there is a good chance of going up to 39,000 initially, and after that 39,400 in coming days. So look at our calls, how exactly they are performing at the beginning of the stream itself. In the pre-market also, I mentioned it. Simply 38,000, above 38,700, there is a good chance to go up. Yeah, whatever the prediction we made, that is happening now. So you can expect 39,000 immediately in Bank Nifty. After 39,000, just so you need to think about the issues. Concentrate on the Bank Nifty at this moment. There is a good chance to reach that level. Good going. This award is simply 39,000. Is the expectation. 38, 950 to 980 zone, and no problem for the bulls in Bank Nifty. Just you can find the levels. 38,000, 39,000 levels, above 38,800, good going for the Bank Nifty. Look at the Bata, just the 15 minutes back or 10 minutes back, I spoke about Bata. Yeah, just our target, it is reaching our target 22 level. Already it has taken out the previous high 2108. Now it is good going. There is a good chance to find the levels, good levels in the Bata. And already I predicted earlier also, I said 2122 is our target. And after 21-22 there is a good chance of going for 10 points up or down, no problem. But one thing is that is a crucial zone. 21-22 is a crucial zone, and be careful at that zone. look at the Jubilant Foodworks. You can observe the Jubilant Foodworks in the pre-market session also. I said simply there is a chance of going for the little bit of profit booking in Jubilant Foodworks. That is happening now, and it is good going, but only thing is be careful until it crosses the level 45.74. If that level is taken out, simply there is a good chance to find the higher levels up to 4700 also. But at this moment the Bank Nifty is showing good upside. So look at the Nifty spot also, just the Nifty spot. Look at the Nifty spot. It's going good, but one thing is always there will be some profit booking. The 20 points, 30 points, not a matter. But already I mentioned it, simply there is a good chance of facing the resistance at this level. Look at the Bank Nifty and Nifty spot. Bank Nifty is performing good as compared to the Nifty. The Bank Nifty is doing good, and you can find good levels in Bank Nifty. Today's expiry, the volatility is so common. Look at the volatility index, Indian volatility index. The volatility index as moving up, and still it is the downside actually. The still downside, volatility index is still downside. Of course it has touched the level 12.9 13 level and reached up to 16 level today, and a good resistance at this level, and up to 17 you can expect in volatility index. Option writers, be careful. Option writers, they depend upon time decay. Be careful. It is a Nifty spot. Then hourly it is showing some weakness, and reached up to 18,261. At the beginning also I said simply 18,200 is a good support. Okay, in the hourly chart setup also we are finding the good support at 18,200 level and 18,190 or 18,200 level. And the maximum we can expect up to 18140 downside hourly chart. By chance if it is coming to that level, you can go for the long at that moment. Look at the Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty has to perform good today. The Bank Nifty has to show the strength. So look at TCS. So look at TCS. It is below the important support level 3640. So once it is below the 3640, you can initiate your short positions actually up to 3459. The TCS, look at the TCS. Once it is crossing the level 3640, there is a good chance to reach up to 3459 or 3460 level, and good support is at 3460 level. For those who are going for the positional, they can think about the long calls at 3460 level. It is not showing upside, it is a downside only. Just be careful. We are expecting good thing to happen in Bank Nifty. Look at Godrej Properties. Look at the Godrej Properties. It is showing upside. Today it is showing upside. There is a good chance to reach the level to 25.75. Already it has reached that level. We have to wait. The monthly it is in a good upside, no problem. By keeping the stop loss at 2400, you can maintain long calls in Godrej Properties. So today is weekly expiry. Look at the Bata India. Just so you can find Bata India here. When you go for the Bata India, here just I said simply the 22 is the final target for us. Already it has reached up to 21.18. 4 points. We are expecting 4 more points. It has to come to that level. Otherwise, the longs can be exited at this level, no problem. but otherwise you can find the level 20, 21, 22 level again. The Tata Motors in profit booking mode. Look at the Tata Motors. It is in profit booking mode. Be careful. No need of exiting the long calls in Tata Motors. Still there is a good chance to move up. For the long or positional, Tata Motors is a good script to take. But only thing is, good entry point is at 480 level. Exactly 480 level. That is a good entry point for the Tata Motors. Okay, Bharat Forge. You can find Bharat Forge. Okay, the Bharat Forge also, there is a good chance to move up to 844 level. Once 814 are trading above 814, but be careful for the fresh entries. So let us look at Tata Steel now. Just we are going for Tata Steel. Okay, look at the Tata Steel above 1340. There is a good chance to reach up to 1426. There is a good chance of reaching up to 1426. The fresh longs also can be taken above the 1340 level. By keeping the stop loss at 1330, you can maintain the long calls in Tata Steel. Look at the Jubilant Foodworks. Just Jubilant Foodworks. We can take the Jubilant Foodworks. Say already I mentioned it. Simply there is a chance of taking the profit in Jubilant Foodworks. That is happening, and it is coming back to the 4460 level. Okay, once that 4460 is taken out, then there is a good chance of going for the 4364 level. And 4360 is not immediate target, but only thing is once it crosses the level 4467, then only can find that level, otherwise no chance at all. And today is expiry. Just once is expiry, be careful. Too much volatility you can find, not in the individual stocks. At the index level you can find volatility, but Banknifty seems to be so strong. Just we can consider the positions in Banknifty up to the 39,000 or 39,400 100 level. Then the next week, in the next week, you can go for the buying calls. In the next week expiry, you can go for the call buying. And call writers, be careful. It is not for call writers. The volatility index is also going up, moving up. The volatility index is also moving up, and once it is crossing the level 16, 17, then only you can find it is going to be moving up. And so there is a volatility index. The volatility index is in sideways. Almost the volatility is in sideways. Weekly sideways. The monthly also, it has faced the resistance at 19.3511. See, exactly our chart setup is working. And exact level, see, at around 19, it faced the resistance. In the next month, volatility index has to go up. The next month only we can find the volatility index has to go up. Once the 19 crosses the level, the volatility index crosses the level 19, there will be a chance in good profit booking in overall market. Not this month. I am expecting this to happen in next month. Almost once the volatility index by chance it closes above 19, then there will be a chance to find good major profit booking in the market. And the Nifty is holding its level, and the Banknifty also holding its level, and till the end of the market, you can find good levels, higher levels. But only thing is 18,362 400 zone. That is the zone where you can find intraday reversal in the market. So the Banknifty, good levels to find in Banknifty. So no problem for the Banknifty. And Nifty also holding its higher level, good going, no problem. But be careful at 18,362 400 zone. If it come to that level, be careful. And otherwise, no problem for the market at this moment. Once 18,293 or 294, the previous high, once it has taken out, then we can find good upside. But Infosys unable to hold its higher levels. So look at the Infosys now. Infosys, it is unable to hold higher levels. but still Infosys we can expect upside. Good level to go long is at 1700 level. Okay, 1720 is the hourly support for the Infosys. Okay, 1720 is the support level for the Infosys. Okay, still Infosys, there is a good chance to perform better. 1700 is a good support zone for the Infosys daily chart. In the daily chart, 1700 is the good support zone. If you want to enter the fresh long calls, you can maintain your stop loss at 1700. By maintaining the 1700 as a stop loss, one can look for the long positions in Infosys. And monthly also it is good going, but sideways, and at the maximum we can reach up to 1788. Look at the Jubilant Foodworks. In the Jubilant Foodworks, I said there is a good chance to reach the level up to 4460. Just now it has touched the 4460. That is a good support zone for the intraday. If that is not breaking, then you can expect good higher levels in the coming 2 or 3 days duration. And we have to wait up to 4874 to be taken out. Then there is a good chance to going up. And monthly also you can find good support, and there is a good chance to find the level up to 4880. Okay, thank you for listening to us and watching our analysis video. It is a live stream. Again, I'm going to continue the live stream at 1:30. At this moment, the market seems to be good. Banknifty seems to be good, and Nifty also seems to be good. But be careful at this levels, higher levels. And still it is in the positive territory. If you look at the indicators, all those indicators seems to be positive territory, but there is a good chance of going for the profit booking at higher levels. Be careful. Being a trader, we need to consider the higher levels, and better you have to be in a positive side. Still the Nifty is holding their levels, Banknifty holding its levels. Good going. Again, the live stream will be at 1:30. I will be back at 1:30. Thank you.